Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at the top 5 fastest bullet trains in the world. Bullet trains are a symbol of modern transportation and high-speed rail technology. They are capable of traveling at incredibly high speeds, making them a popular choice for commuters and travelers around the world. So, without further ado, let's take a look at the top 5 fastest bullet trains in the world. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Eurostar E320. This is a high-speed train that operates between London and continental Europe, including Paris, Brussels, and Amsterdam. The Eurostar E320 can reach a maximum speed of 320 km per hour, 200 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest trains in Europe. It's also known for its comfortable seating and modern amenities, including Wi-Fi and power outlets. Number 4. Siemens Valero E/ABS 103. This is a high-speed train that's operated by Spain's national railway company, Renfe. The Valero E/ABS 103 can reach a top speed of 350 km per hour, 217 miles per hour, and is one of the fastest trains in Europe. It's known for its sleek design, smooth ride, and advanced safety features. Coming in at number 3, we have the Shanghai Maglev Train. This is a magnetic levitation train that operates in Shanghai, China. The Shanghai Maglev Train can reach a maximum speed of 430 km per hour, 267 miles per hour, making it the fastest commercial train in the world. It's known for its futuristic design and ultra-fast travel time between Shanghai Pudong International Airport and the city center. At number 2, we have the TGV Duplex. This is a double-decker high-speed train that's operated by the French National Railway Company, SNCF. The TGV Duplex can reach a top speed of 574.8 km per hour, 357.2 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest trains in the world. It's known for its spacious seating, quiet ride, and luxurious amenities, including a gourmet restaurant and a bar car. And finally, at number 1, we have the Shanghai Transrapid. This is another magnetic levitation train that operates in Shanghai, China. The Shanghai Transrapid can reach an astonishing top speed of 501 km per hour, 311 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest trains in the world. It's known for its advanced technology and impressive acceleration, as well as its smooth ride and minimal noise. And there you have it, the top 5 fastest bullet trains in the world. From the Eurostar E320 to the Shanghai Transrapid, these trains represent the pinnacle of high-speed rail technology and modern transportation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.